Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever wondered what happens when luxury meets lips, today we're diving into something that's not just a lipstick, but a statement piece. Introducing the Sisley Phyto-Lip Twist in shade number 17 Kiss Matte. An elegant, high-performance lip color designed for those who want both sophistication and comfort in their beauty routine. Now, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The Sisley Phyto-Lip Twist is a twist-up lipstick in a pencil format, offering a precise application with the added benefits of nourishing ingredients. It's marketed as a lip color that combines the power of makeup and skincare in one product, promising smooth, hydrated lips with a matte finish. The shade number 17 Kiss Matte is a muted soft pink that's perfect for both everyday wear and evening looks, making it a versatile addition to any makeup collection. When it comes to the formulation, this product doesn't disappoint. The Phyto-Lip Twist features a blend of botanical oils and plant-based ingredients designed to protect, soften, and hydrate lips. These elements work together to create a smooth application that doesn't just look good, but also feels good, ensuring your lips stay nourished throughout wear. The texture of the product is creamy, so it glides on easily without any tugging, and the color payoff is intense yet comfortable, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a lip color that's both rich and long-lasting. From a personal perspective, this lipstick easily became a part of my daily routine. I loved how easy it was to apply, especially with the pencil format. It's like a lipstick meets a lip liner, all in one, and I didn't need any additional tools to create a clean, defined lip look. During wear, I found that the lipstick felt lightweight and didn't dry out my lips, which can sometimes be a concern with matte products. The color stayed vibrant throughout the day, and I only needed to reapply after meals. The matte finish is also flattering, giving a sophisticated look without feeling overly drying. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, this lipstick delivers on its promises of hydration and color intensity. The formula is smooth, and the shade range is fantastic for a variety of skin tones. I also appreciate the easy-to-use twist-up pencil design, making application a breeze without any mess. However, the major downside here is the price. Sisley is a high-end brand, and while this lipstick performs beautifully, the cost might be a deterrent for those on a budget. If you're willing to splurge, it's definitely worth the investment. But there are also excellent alternatives that can deliver similar results for a lower price point. In terms of value for money, I'd say this product offers decent value for its price, primarily due to the high-quality ingredients and the added skincare benefits. That said, there are many great lipsticks on the market at a fraction of the price, so it really depends on whether you're seeking a luxury experience or are satisfied with more budget-friendly options. If you're interested in exploring alternatives, brands like Charlotte Tilbury and NARS offer similar matte, hydrating lipsticks with excellent performance for a more accessible price tag. These options won't necessarily have the same botanical benefits, but they deliver on color and longevity. As for the build quality, the Sisley Phyto-Lip Twist is well made. The packaging feels luxe and sturdy, which matches the high-end nature of the product. The pencil twist-up mechanism is smooth, and there's no risk of the product breaking easily. As for longevity, the lipstick's color holds up for a good few hours, though reapplication after eating or drinking is necessary for that flawless look throughout the day. Customer service is something I haven't directly tested with Sisley, but the brand is known for its premium customer support, which is expected given the price point. If you're someone who loves to indulge in luxury beauty products, this lipstick may be right up your alley. It's an excellent for anyone who wants a high-performance matte lip color with nourishing properties. On the other hand, if you're on a budget, there are great alternatives out there that will still give you a beautiful finish without the high cost. Before we wrap things up, I want to ask you, have you tried any of the Phyto-Lip Twists? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can discover our honest takes on these luxury beauty products. Thank you so much for watching. If you're thinking about picking this up, you'll find the link in the description box below. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out. And I'll see you next time on Beautyistic.